Hey, this is Ty from hisandhermoney.com. I wanted to come to you guys really quickly to let you know that you are invited to a totally free online summit called Mama's Talk Money Summit. It will be going on for 5 days, 43 speakers, and no cost to you. You don't even have to get out of your clothes. You can stay in your pajamas if you want to. Don't even have to throw on makeup, but you all, it's going down for 5 days only from October 21st through October 25th. There are going to be topics around career advancement, retirement, debt payoff, meal planning, kids and money, college. We're going to even be sharing on there amongst with 43 other speakers. It is amazing. You do have to reserve your seat though and get your free ticket. Simply go to hisandhermoney.com/MTM. That stands for Mama's Talk Money. So hisandhermoney.com/MTM. The link is also in the description box below. There will also be over $15,000 in giveaways. We had an opportunity to look at some of these giveaways and oh my gosh, just say, I wish that we could have won some of these. It's amazing. I hope that you can join us. Now, share this with all your ladies, all the women that mean something to you in your life. Share this video with them. They're invited too. Let's make it a huge, big online party. We're super pumped. We hope you can join us, guys. It's happening in just a few short days. So make sure you get your ticket and reserve your seat, okay? Go to hisandhermoney.com/MTM and we would love to see you there.